learn coding, learn AI, learn dance. Oh no, but actually, why? Hello, my dear creative souls. This is Ritika, and welcome to the second episode of this series, The Art of Learning Skills. तो आज के वीडियो में मैं कुछ 3 रीजंस बताऊंगी ताकि हम सब एक साथ ग्रो कर पाएँ. सो द नंबर 1 रीज़न इज़ लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. Skills taught us how to learn actually in real life. This is a very beautiful quote by Shunryu Suzuki. In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities, but in the experts, there are few. So, a very simple reason कि हमें skills क्यों सीखने चाहिए is because it helps us realize that being a beginner is not a failure. Rather, it is a beautiful place to be in. And we all have heard this quote that whoever is an expert now was once a beginner. Now, the number 2, adaptable warrior mindset. See, we all of us know that जब भी हम कोई नई चीज़ शुरू करते हैं, हम फेल होते हैं, हम फ्रस्ट्रेट होते हैं. बट वो लोग जो क्विट नहीं करते, वो अचीव करते हैं वॉरियर माइंडसेट. नाउ व्हाट डज दिस वॉरियर माइंडसेट मीन्स? दिस इज़ नॉट अ माइंडसेट विच इज़ लाइक unbreakable or unstoppable. But what I mean by warrior mindset is it makes us adaptable. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कभी कोई challenges face नहीं करेंगे, but when we try again and again, when we fail again and again and still don't quit, something shifts inside our brain. Thus, learning skills is not limited to that one particular skill. It helps us in all the other aspects of our life. Now, the number 3, real growth. This is a quote by Eric Thompson, and Dale Carnegie also pronounced this. Knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is the power. See, we all know that knowledge without action is merely potential power. And knowledge itself doesn't yield anything. You need to practice it in the real life. So these were all the 3 reasons why you should start your first skill, your first step. And there are also other reasons as well, that it gives us personal satisfaction. But a very important question is there to consider. Why to pursue so much skills when we can't take all of them to the mastery in just one lifetime? Basically, इतनी सब स्किल्स सीखने का क्या मतलब जब हम उन्हें मास्टरी तक नहीं ले जा रहे हैं? तो वो स्किल्स आखिर हमें क्या दे रही हैं? सो हियर आर 2 कन्विंसिंग आंसर्स. फर्स्ट इज एक्सप्लोरेशन ओवर मास्टरी. Okay, so now I want you to imagine that someone asks you, which place is better? Paris, Lucknow, Banaras, or Switzerland? So what would be your answer? Right, let me explore each of them first. That's exactly the case when it comes to skills. trying different skills helps us find our best interest and our true ikigai. And the second reason is skills teaches us indirectly. Skills such as crochet, painting, weaving teaches us patience. Skills such as reading, sports promotes analytical thinking and decision making. Skills like swimming, aerobics, dancing teaches us the power of consistency and perseverance. All the skills that we acquire during our exploration phase helps us to master the one skill set that we choose as our ikigai. तो ये दो रीजंस कि हमें अलग अलग स्किल्स क्यों ट्राई करनी चाहिए, और हमें स्किल्स की ज़रूरत अपने डेवलपमेंट के लिए ज़रूर है, बट स्किल्स aren't the only way to grow. There are other ways, I agree to that. Skills can be a first step to start this reprogramming of mind, because yes, मैंने ट्राई किया है कि अलग अलग स्किल्स को ट्राई करके your mindset changes, how you treat yourself changes, you start to respect yourself and your time, and that doesn't look forced, that comes naturally. That respect for yourself comes naturally. In this video we talked about all the purposes of pursuing skills, but हमें अपना भी एक वाई खोजना होता है कि हम इस एक पर्टिकुलर स्किल को क्यों परस्यू करें या क्यों प्रैक्टिस करें. एंड हाउ डिड आई फाउंड माई वाई, एंड मैंने अराउंड 8 स्किल सेट्स ट्राई करे इन माई वेकेशंस. एंड मैंने कैसे करे, मेरी कौन कौन सी लर्निंग्स रहीं और मैंने कौन कौन से बेस्ट सोर्सेस यूज़ किए. दैट are all the questions which I would answer in the episode 3 of this series, The Art of Learning Skills. So, one last quote: a man who is a master of patience is a master of everything else. That's all for now. Till then, take care and lots of love, my dear creative souls. Create with heart and keep becoming alive. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time and attention. This is Ritika signing off. Bye bye.